Hello, today we will guide you through how to read Level 2 ThinkorSwim. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform. Give it a moment to load completely so all data feeds initialize and the layout appears. At the top of the platform, you will see a row of tabs. Look for the Charts area. That is where we will prepare the workspace used to view Level 2. Click into Charts to bring up a standard price chart. We will use this as our base and then arrange the view so Level 2 can sit alongside it. To make the layout easy to manage, open Flexible Grid. Flexible Grid lets you create panes that work together, which is ideal when you want a chart, a Level 2 window, and other modules to update with the same symbol. On the right edge of the grid, find the menu with 3 horizontal lines. Click it to access layout controls. Choose Reset to clear any previous custom arrangement. This is helpful if you have used the grid before and want to start fresh. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Yes to apply the reset. Now choose a sample symbol in the symbol field. Any actively traded stock or ETF will work for practice. The goal is simply to load live bid and ask activity for that instrument. After the symbol appears on your chart, click the small chain or link icon. Linking color codes the panes so that when you change the symbol in one place, every linked gadget follows automatically. This prevents mismatches between the chart and the Level 2 window. With the symbol linked, click L2 to open the Level 2 order book. On most layouts, you will see bids on the left and asks on the right. Prices are listed from best to worst, and each line includes size and the market maker or ECN posting that quote. Size is typically shown in lots, so a value of 10 represents 1,000 shares. Watch how the top of book, often called the inside quote, shifts as orders appear and are filled. Rapid stacking of bids can hint at support, while heavy, persistent offers can signal overhead pressure. Remember, Level 2 shows intent, not guarantees. Orders can be modified or canceled. Pay close attention to the spread, the difference between the best bid and best ask. A tight spread often means higher liquidity, while a wide spread can make entries and exits more costly. Depth. Several levels down can reveal where larger participants may be waiting. If you see size repeatedly refreshing at a price, that can indicate hidden interest. During the open, activity is fast. Later in the day, the book often thins. In pre-market or after-hour sessions, expect fewer participants and wider spreads. Use the chart for trend context and the Level 2 window for short-term depth and momentum cues. When you are comfortable, you can customize the grid again, but starting from reset keeps things clear. That is the complete setup for reading Level 2 in ThinkorSwim.